Hello, beauties! Today we're diving into the fashion graveyard of 2025. It's 2025 and some fashion statements are officially dead. Let's explore which ones made it to the graveyard and, most importantly, what to wear instead to keep your style timeless and elegant. Have you ever looked at old pictures and thought, what was I wearing? I recently did. Last week, while organizing my wardrobe, I found an old neon dress I once adored. I wore it to every party back in the day because I thought it made me stand out. But now I realized how much my style has evolved. That dress is a perfect reminder of how trends come and go. What's your most regrettable fashion trend? Let me know in the comments. Don't leave me feeling alone on this. My name is Sumia, and on my channel, Sumia's Elegance, I help you refine your wardrobe and stay chic without losing your sense of self. If you love fashion, elegance, and a touch of timeless beauty, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Together, we'll navigate the ever-changing world of style with grace and confidence. List of dead trends in 2025. Now let's dive into the trends that are officially out in 2025 and what you can wear instead to stay elegant and modern. Fashion is always evolving and these styles have simply run their course. Number 1. Oversized chunky sneakers. Chunky sneakers were everywhere for a while, making their mark on both streetwear and high fashion. But their exaggerated look has become a little too much for the clean, polished aesthetic many of us now prefer. Instead, opt for minimalist leather sneakers or classic loafers. They're sleek, versatile, and effortlessly chic. Think Carolyn Bessette-Kennedy's understated elegance. Number 2. Neon colors and loud prints. Neon had its moment, bringing vibrancy and boldness to our wardrobes. But in 2025, it feels loud and out of place. Fashion has shifted toward earth tones and neutral palettes, which are easier to style and far more timeless. A camel coat or olive green sweater, for example, will never go out of style. Which tones do you gravitate toward? Let me know in the comments. Number 3. Micro bags. Yes, they were adorable and made for great Instagram posts, but let's be honest, they're not practical. In 2025, we're saying goodbye to bags that can barely hold lipstick. Instead, invest in structured mid-size bags. They're functional, stylish, and perfect for every occasion. Picture yourself with a chic leather tote like Meghan Markle often carries, refined and useful. Number 4. Ultra distressed jeans. Distressed jeans used to scream cool and carefree, but now they just look messy. This year, tailored jeans in straight leg or dark wash styles are taking over. They're versatile and can be dressed up or down, just like Kate Middleton's go-to denim looks. Number 5. Fast fashion knockoffs. The days of flaunting fast fashion replicas of luxury brands are over. As more people embrace authenticity, the focus has shifted to high-quality, no-logo pieces that exude quiet luxury. Think of someone like Gwyneth Paltrow. Her wardrobe is all about understated sophistication without the need for flashy logos. Which of these trends have you left behind, and which alternatives excite you the most? Share your thoughts, and let's discuss how we can all elevate our style in 2025. How to identify what works for you. Now that we've discussed what's out and what's in, let's talk about the most important part of dressing well: choosing what works for you. It's easy to get caught up in trends, but the secret to a timeless wardrobe is understanding your personal style and selecting pieces that flatter your unique features. For instance, I used to think following every trend was the key to looking stylish. But over time, I realized that the most complimented outfits in my wardrobe were the ones that felt authentically me. Have you ever worn something that made you feel out of place, even though it was trendy? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to know I'm not alone in this. Here are a few quick tips to help you build a wardrobe that truly works for you. Stick to a cohesive color palette. Focus on shades that complement your skin tone and are easy to mix and match. Think classic neutrals, soft pastels, or warm earth tones. Choose flattering silhouettes. Understand your body shape and pick cuts that highlight your best features. For example, an A-line skirt is universally flattering and never goes out of style. Invest in quality basics. A crisp white shirt, a tailored blazer, or a pair of well-fitted trousers can elevate your entire wardrobe. These staples serve as the foundation for countless outfits. Master the art of layering. Layering adds depth and dimension to your look, especially during colder months. Try pairing a turtleneck under a structured dress or a cardigan over over a sleek blouse. Think of style icons like Coco Chanel or Angelina Jolie. They don't chase every trend. Instead, they stick to pieces that enhance their elegance and make a statement without trying too hard. What's one timeless piece in your wardrobe that you can't live without? Let me know in the comments, and let's inspire each other to make 2025 our most stylish year yet. Closing remarks. We've gone through the fashion trends that are officially dead in 2025, and I hope you're feeling ready to make smarter, more timeless style choices. Remember, fashion isn't just about following the crowd. It's about creating a look that feels authentic to you, one that makes you feel confident and sophisticated. So what do you think? Do you agree with my list? What trends are you happy to say goodbye to in 2025? Drop a comment below and let's talk about your style evolution. Don't forget to subscribe to Sumia's Elegance for more insights into timeless fashion and tips on how to look effortlessly chic every day. Stay stylish, stay confident, and remember, elegance is always in fashion.